we're probably better placed than a lot of manufacturers in that we have a high hybrid base, which is a good place to start. If you're coming from an entirely conventional powertrain base, it means a significant amount of electrification. And what's not clear is really how ready are customers to pay a premium for electrification, and how ready are some towns and cities with infrastructure and with the creation of energy to cope with that sort of growth. The business model for electrification is immature today. So I think in reality you could say the electrification growth is a little bit more manufacturer-led than it is true customer demand-led. So it's going to be, I think, a little bit uncertain as to how quickly real customer demand is going to be changed, and at what cost will that come.